Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you an updated version of my Shulker storage system, updated for 1.15.2, and this should work in 1.16 as well. So this is the old version here. So yeah, you can see it's two blocks wide and like this. So what I've done is I've made a 1x1, so it's tileable. So that's why I'm making a tutorial for it, because it's quite a bit better. And I think it uses nearly the same amount of resources. And yeah, since you can tile them, then you can stack them and hook them up to like an item filter like this. So this could be linked to a farm and stuff. So I know that there's other 1x1 designs like by Ilmango, but yeah, mine's different because you can actually interact with the shulker box that's, you know, filling up, whereas in other designs, like, you can't open it. So yeah, that's why it would be good for like a storage system, because you can come in here and, you know, take stuff out if you want, if there aren't any shulker boxes in the chest. So this is what you're gonna need. So you need 5 solid blocks. I use 4 cyan concrete, 1 white concrete, dispenser, 2 repeaters, comparator, 2 redstone dust, a lot of shulker boxes, 2 sticky pistons, 2 slabs, observers, and then 5 hoppers. Yeah, so now that we've got everything that we need, you can start by building it. So just grab your hoppers first, place your chest down. So this is going to be like our base area. So we'll have 1 hopper leading into that chest, block up like that, and then we'll put our shulker box down there first. Now you need to find out where your hoppers are going to come from, and you need to go up like 4 blocks, just like that, and you can break those 3. Now we can come in and place our sticky piston, which is on this there, and then we place our other slab. Great, so now we'll do the first circuit, which is the reading when this hopper starts filling up with items. So place a block there, come down 1 block like that, and we'll just create a little loop like that. So now you can place it in your repeater there, 2 dust like that, and then grab your comparator and comparator just like that. So yeah, now that'll read whenever this shulker box is filled up with items. So like, yeah, when it's completely filled, and then there are 23 more items in this hopper. Yeah, so when there are 23 more items, yeah, you can see that this hopper starts getting locked, which is perfect. So that is gonna trigger this, which is gonna break the shulker box and then replace a new one. So let's go ahead with that now. So let's place up our observers. We're gonna make like an observer chain in a second. So we'll go 1 observer, place in your last solid block, come back 2 observers, place in a sticky piston, and then place 1 observer here like this with a repeater on it set to 2 ticks. Now place another observer facing in this way like this. So it's really important that you have the observer here rather than here. If you have it like this, like in this spot, initially the system won't work. So you have to, yeah, make sure that it's, you know, 1 block down from that sticky piston. And then let's place in our dispenser. Great, so now you can fill this up with more shulker boxes like that. And if you wanted to add extra storage for shulker boxes, what you can do is just come like this and then place hoppers and some chests on top of those to place in your extra shulker boxes. But I think 9 should be fine for whatever I'm using it, so I'm just going to have it like that. Great, so now I'll show you it working. So you can see you've got a sticky piston farm clearly, and we'll put in, yeah, another stack of sticky pistons. So when this fills up to 23 items, it'll trigger and a new shulker box will be dispensed. Yeah, perfect. Great, and then of course the other shulker box comes into here. So the reason why it needs to be down like that is, as you can see, it gets a 1 tick pulse, which brings it up, which gives it a signal, and then pushes it back down. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Here is a version with an item filter. So all you really have to do is add 3 more hoppers and then add in a simple item filter. This is the most compact you can make it, because you need to have this block here. Otherwise, yeah, the hopper system won't work. And that's just simple item filter. So I'll kind of explain how it works now. So yeah, when this gets to 23 items, the observer observes this repeater updating, which powers this block, which powers the hopper, and observers can observe when hoppers get powered. which sends a 1 tick pulse to this piston, which brings this block up, which triggers this repeater, breaking the shulker box. And then when this repeater goes off and the piston goes up, we get another update, which then places the shulker box in. Perfect. So that was it for the tutorial. It's updated for 1.15, so you can use this in your world, and I've actually used it in my survivor worlds as well. And the great thing about this is that you can stack these as much as you want. So you can have like 10 like this if you want to, and they aren't going to overlap or anything. Which is really good. So it's a really good system for bulk storage as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, leave a like and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.